Hello, I'm Allie Marachek, the Director of Child Nutrition for Fayetteville Public Schools. I wanted to take a moment to talk with you about meal benefits and our easy application for your family. Applying for meal benefits is good for the whole community. Qualifying for meal benefits can also help your school receive additional funding and supports the child nutrition program. Families should reapply for meal benefits each year, and only one application per household is needed. Once you are approved, your meal benefits are good for that entire school year. Filling out the school meal benefit application has never been easier or more secure. Let's walk through the online meal benefit application step by step. Be sure to complete the application in one sitting, as you cannot return at a later time to complete it. The application process will take about 5 minutes if you have the following on hand: the names and income of every member of your household, for example, pay stubs, child support, Social Security, unemployment, and any other sources of income. Your SNAP case number if you receive SNAP benefits, the school, grade, birth date of every student in your household, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number if you have one, a valid email address or phone number for district communication about the status of your application. Adding an email address is optional. Let's walk through the steps for filling out the meal benefit application online. From the district website, go to Departments. Then click the Child Nutrition webpage. Then click the My School Apps icon. Or you can type in the browser www.myschoolapps.com. Click on Get Started. Enter your zip code and then click Search. In the Choose School District drop-down menu, find Fayetteville Public Schools. Click Select District and continue. Next, click Begin Application Process. Find the box agreeing to the terms of use above. Check the box agreeing to the terms of use above. Click I agree to the terms. Enter your first name in the box and then last name in the second box. The red color on the box denotes required information. Click Save and Continue. On the Additional Instructions page, review the meal prices and the income eligibility guidelines. These guidelines represent the maximum income level based on household size to qualify for free or reduced priced meals. There is also a helpful section with frequently asked questions. Next, click Continue. Families can qualify for meal benefits based on income or the SNAP benefit status. First, we'll walk through the income-based application and then the SNAP-based application. If your household does not receive SNAP benefits, click here. Then enter your address. When finished, click Save and Continue. You will now enter your students one at a time by clicking Add Student. Be sure to enter Fayetteville Public students only in this area. Later on, you will enter non-FPS students into the application. Enter first name, last name, and birth date in the appropriate boxes. Then select the student's gender, foster status, school, and grade. If you do not know your student's ID number, it's not required to move forward with the application. If your student has a status of homelessness or family in transition, migrant, runaway, or Head Start, please check the appropriate box, then call your school office to enroll in the appropriate program. Then click Save and Continue. You will then be prompted to enter student income. If your student has their own income, click Add Income. If not, click No Student Income. Some examples of student income include Social Security, disability, survivor income, or income from a part-time job. Enter the amount of student income. This should be the total income for all children in the household aged 12 years or younger. Use the drop-down to choose the frequency the student receives the income. Click Save and Continue. If you have another student, click Add Student. If you do not, click Done Adding Students. If you need to double-check information, you can toggle back and forth between tabs. You will now be asked to enter non-student children. If you have a child that is not enrolled in Fayetteville Public Schools, click Add Child. Fill in the appropriate boxes and click Save and Continue. Add income for this child if needed, or click No Income. You'll continue adding children until all children under the age of 18 have been added. When done, click Done Adding Children. You will be asked to add other adults living in the household later on. You will now enter your information. Your name should be pre-filled. Add the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or check I do not have a Social Security number. Then click Save and Continue. Now you will enter all other household members starting with yourself, which is pre-filled. Then click Save and Continue. Next, you will add your income or select No Income. If you select Add Income, you will be prompted to enter income, frequency, and source. Be sure to enter your gross, pre-tax, and pre-deduction income. Once you enter your income, you will be asked if you have more income sources. If no, click Done Entering Income. If yes, select Add Income. Then repeat this step until all income for yourself is entered. At the right, you'll find helpful information about various types of income. If you have more household members, click Add Household Member. Then repeat the above steps with income for each household member until all are entered. When finished, click Done Adding Household Members. Now that we have completed the household information for income-based and SNAP-based eligibility, we'll move to the final sections of the application. In the miscellaneous section, enter your email address, confirm the email address, and add phone numbers. Click your response to whether you would like the district to share information with the Medicaid program. The next section, ethnicity, is optional. Check the appropriate boxes and click Save and Continue. The final page will list any errors and have the Privacy Act and non-discrimination statement. Clicking the link in the error message will take you back to the section that needs to be corrected. Scroll to the bottom and check the box certifying your application responses. Type your full name in the box to sign your application. Click Submit My Application. You will then receive confirmation. Your application has been submitted successfully. You can print or view your application by clicking here. Then select Click Here to end your session. It's as easy as that. Now we'll walk through the steps for completing the application as a SNAP benefit recipient. If your household receives SNAP benefits, click here. You will then be prompted to enter your SNAP case number. This is located at the bottom of your SNAP benefit letter. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the format required for entering your SNAP number. It's a 9-digit number that begins with 00. Do not include the A at the beginning of the number. Then enter your address. If you want to learn more about qualifying for the SNAP program, click here. When finished, click Save and Continue. You will now enter your students one at a time by clicking Add Student. Be sure to enter Fayetteville Public Schools students only in this area. Enter first name, last name, and birth date in the appropriate boxes. Then select the student's gender, foster status, school, and grade. If you do not know your student's ID number, it's not required to move forward with the application. If your student has a status of homeless or family in transition, migrant, runaway, or Head Start, please check the appropriate box. Then call your school office to enroll in the appropriate program. Then click Save and Continue. If you have another student, click Add Student. If not, click Done Adding Students. Next, you'll enter your information if it's not already pre-filled. Click Save and Continue. Applying for meal benefits is secure, easy, and can give your family and community the extra support needed this year. We look forward to serving our students nutritious meals that taste great. Welcome back to school.